Hello friends, good afternoon. Um, Today I'm going to show you how you can learn Python on udemy.com for absolutely free. So, uh, so you need to um, go to this website coursetriangle.com, and here you need to go to the coupons. Okay. Um, So here you can see a lot of courses from various categories, and you need to see here which all courses are there for the Python. And as you can see, we are able to see one course related to the Python 3 GUI development using Tkinter. Okay, so let me click on this Python 3 course. It is an absolutely free of cost coupon. Okay, so anyone can use it and enroll to this Python course for free. So at the end of this page you can see the collect this offer button, and as you can see it will redirect you to udemy.com and will apply the coupon automatically and make the course free. Okay, so this way you will be able to learn Python for free on udemy.com. You just need to click now the enroll now button, and the course will be all yours. Okay, so let's go to other Python course that we can see on course triangle. um, okay, so let's see if there is any other course for Python. Let's press the next button to get the next list of the courses. um, there are various courses from various categories. Okay, such as HTML, then JavaScript, and everything. Yeah. Okay, so here is another course for Python. So let's open it. So in this course, you will be able to learn the Python programming beginner to advanced. Um, so this is the programming course for Python 3. Python 3 is the latest version of Python, and hence if you attend this course, then I think you will be able to learn all the advanced concept in the Python 3 language. Okay, so let's go to the coupon for this course. The coupon is Python May free, and it will automatically apply the coupon here, and as you can see the course price has reduced to free. Okay, so you can see the coupon has been applied. Okay, let me show you whether this coupon really works. Okay, you are able to see the price free, but let me remove the coupon and then you should see it as not free. Okay, so I am removing the coupon now, and see the course price has changed to 700 Indian rupees. Okay, so if I now reapply the coupon, okay, now you can see the course price is changed to free. So here you don't have to pay a single rupee. The course is all yours. Just press the enroll now and enroll to the course. So this is the second course for Python language that you should be able to use it if you use this coupon code in next 1 day. Yeah, the coupon has the validity, so you need to enroll them fast. Then let's have a look at any other course for Python language. Okay, this is a very good website on which you can see all the Python coupons. Okay, so here is another Python coupon, data analysis real world use cases hands on Python. Okay, so let's open it, and you can see it is a data analysis or the data science related course in which multiple libraries are used, such as pandas, plotly, folium, textblog, and geopy. Okay, so in this course is more related to the data analysis people, but using the Python 3 language. Okay, so again the same process, you need to click on the collect this offer button, and wow, the coupon code is Mother's Day. Okay, Okay, now you can see the course price hasn't changed. Okay, so that means the coupon has been expired. So we are late here to grab this coupon. But don't be worried. Keep an eye on this website, and this coupon will come again definitely. Okay, so let's keep this coupon for now. But let's have a look at any other Python course. There are multiple courses of Python, so don't be worried. You will get many and multiple coupons. Okay, so here is another one, Python and Flask framework complete course for beginners. Okay, and let's collect the coupon for this course. Okay, now we can see it as a free. Yeah, so let's enroll it now. So I hope guys you understand how you can learn Python for free on udemy.com, and I hope you will like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so thank you for watching me, and have a good day.